Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are absolutely safe and healthy at home, isn't it? Okay, children, tell me what you are doing in your free time. I mean, when you don't want to watch television, don't want to play games, or sleep, or not even study, at that time, what you want to do? See, I love to do painting or some craft work. In the same way, you must have an interest in some activity, right? So, dear children, an activity that we enjoy doing in our free time is called hobby. Different people have different hobbies like painting, stamp collecting, gardening, or singing, dancing, painting, drawing, and so on. So, what is your hobby? What is the thing that you like doing when you are not working? Just think about it and let me know. Okay? So, today we are going to read our next lesson. Lesson number 5, that is bird watching. You know, bird watching is also a type of hobby, but it took lots of patience. So, children, let us read the text. Bird watching. Bird watching is a very interesting hobby. One person who made it quite popular was Dr. Saleem Ali, or the Birdman of India. He was extremely fond of birds. He traveled all over the world studying different types of birds. He fought very hard to save birds from hunters who shoot them for amusement. Amusement means just for a game. So, in this paragraph, we come to know that bird watching is an interesting hobby. And who made it so popular? Who is the person who made it so famous? Yes, Dr. Saleem Ali. Underline Dr. Saleem Ali. And he was also known as the Birdman of India. So, students, do you want to see Dr. Saleem Ali or the Birdman of India? Here he is. He was fond of birds and he fought with hunters to save birds. Next, he gave the world a lot of information about different birds. Did you know that the tallest bird in India is the sarus crane and the smallest is the flower picker? So underline sarus crane and flower picker. So children, have you ever seen Sarah's crane or flower picker? No. Okay. If you have not seen, I am showing you the images of these birds. See, this is Sarah's crane. It is the tallest bird in India. And this is the picture of flower picker, the smallest bird in India. It is so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, next. The largest bird in India is the great bustard. Underline great bustard. The national bird of India is the, yes, peacock. Underline it. I know all of you have seen the image of a peacock. But have you seen the image of a great bustard? I think you have not. So let us see the image of the great bustard. So this is the great bustard, the largest bird in India. And which bird is known as the national bird of India? Yes, it's the peacock. Next, here are some very interesting bird facts. The common crow is considered as one of the most intelligent birds. So children, which bird is considered as one of the most intelligent birds? Yes, it's the common crow. Next, the tailor bird actually sews together leaves with cobweb threads to build its nest. Children, do you know why tailor bird is called tailor bird? It is so because of the fact that tailor bird can use leaves together with cobweb or grass to build beautiful nests. Have you seen the nest of a tailor bird? Here are some images. It is so beautiful, isn't it? Okay. Next, the hummingbird makes a humming sound by flapping its wings. So children, this is the image of a hummingbird. And how does hummingbird make a humming sound? By flapping its wings. Underline, by flapping its wings. Flapping means moving quickly up and down. So, how does the hummingbird make a humming sound? By moving its wings quickly up and down. A bird uses its beak for eating, fighting, and nest building. So children, what are the main uses of a bird's beak? A bird uses its beak for eating, fighting, and nest building. Underline this. I know all of you have seen so many birds. But children, have you ever noticed that all the birds do not have same types of beaks? All the birds having different types of beaks, right? And they use it for different work also. However, the main function of a bird's beak are eating, fighting, and nest building. Now, look at the last paragraph. Let's read. Would you like to discover some bird facts too? All you need is a pair of binoculars, a notebook, pencil, and lots of patience to take up bird watching as a hobby. So, children, are you ready for it? So, children, if you really want to discover some bird facts, or if you want to see various types of birds in your surrounding, and if you don't have binocular, then no issue. You can also watch bird without that also. You know how? You can place some water and some bird food in a bowl in your garden. By doing this, you can see them daily. Okay? I want all of you to do this activity. So, children, enjoy doing this activity and must tell me which birds you have seen. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.